Today we have Debbie Harris, the CEO and president of PI Media. She's going to tell us about our LinkedIn Velocity program.
Hi everyone, this is a fantastic program. The issue with LinkedIn is how do you find the time as a busy executive, business owner, professional to actually use the platform that we all know will get us business? Well, here's what we did. We do the heavy lifting for you. What does that mean? That means we're going to put appointments on your calendar. How are we going to do this? We're going to do it via LinkedIn. We're going to do it via email, and we're actually going to pick up the phone and call people on your behalf. This is all done by our team right here in the United States. And then on top of that, you get personal coaching with me, one-on-one over the web. What are we going to do? We're going to write original articles. How many of you take the time to actually write original articles on LinkedIn that go out to your connections to make you the expert in your field? We're going to get you recommendations, something people forget. They know there's people on LinkedIn that will write recommendations for them, but they just don't take the time to get them. We're going to engage with others. We're going to put up posts. So now just imagine this. You're busy doing things to run your business, and you look at your calendar and there are appointments set. This morning when I got up and checked my phone, as we all do, I had 3 appointments set for the next 2 days. What does that mean? That means that we're doing it for you. And this is not just automated messages. In case you haven't noticed, we all get those all day long. They don't really work anymore. We're kind of immune to that same message that we get over and over and over again. We want a personal touch, and that's exactly what we do. We make sure when we contact that person for the second time on your behalf, we're saying something that really relates to them, to their profile. This works. It's absolutely fantastic. It's our LinkedIn Velocity program. I'd love to share more of it with you. You can reach out to me on my personal cell, which is 702-465-4082. Again, 702-465-4082. I can't wait to share this with you, and I can't wait for you to tell me how much business you're closing because of the LinkedIn Velocity program.